Hi guys, we're all home, we're all in quarantine, but I'm gonna keep you abreast of skincare, hair, makeup, sometimes a little bit of fashion. Today we're gonna learn about disinfecting, sanitizing our brushes, our makeup brushes, how to properly do it, what to use, and you'll be surprised right in your own home. And that's it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get an old Tupperware container that I no longer use. As you can see, it's all, I burnt it, probably burnt it on the stove or something like that. But I'm going to just cleanse my brushes. I'm going to show you how to cleanse one. And yes, I will be using Palmolive. Ta-da! Surprise, surprise. Fill up the container with hot water and a few drops of Palmolive Essential Clean. Original. Sam Fine was the one that I got this from. So yeah, he says Palmolive is to use, and I've been using it for years. I'll put the rest of the brushes in there, but you see how the water is getting dirty because there is makeup on them, on the brushes. See how clean that is? Make sure you let your brushes dry overnight and they'll be ready for use the next day.